Welcome back to another day in the shed, and today is paint day. I haven't shown you the colour because I want to keep it a surprise, but it's been on my Instagram, so if you're on there, you would have seen it. But today we are painting the roll cage, the backs of the seats, the subframe, and maybe the bonnet. So just did the clutch on Jesse's Falcon Ute, so that needs to be moved out before we can start painting anything. So we're going to get it out and then do a bit more prep and then just like paint all of this stuff right up, baby. It's time for a little update. The Falcon is out of the shed. Now, before I paint, I need to do some tidying up just so I don't spray the ever-living daylights out of everything in here. So we need to do some tidy up, so I'll get on that. I've just finished washing my subframe. It was absolutely filthy. It had so much caked up grime and just garbage on it. After cleaning my subframe, I prepped my roll cage with some 120 just to get rid of some flash rust and some other bits and bobs on it. And I have finished prepping my seats. So they're ready to be sprayed as well. But like I said, need to do some prep in here before I start spraying anything and heat the room up a little bit. We sealed off the shed just a tad, and then we got to put an extraction fan just up there behind the sheets. So we'll hop to that and I'll check back in once I'm ready to spray. Can't friggin' wait. It's going to be so good. That was too much for you. Surround me through my I forgot to say that we're spraying now. So I had a go at it and I'm getting frustrated because I keep running the primer. I was putting it on too light first and then Jesse said, put it on thicker, go slower. I did that and I ran the absolute bejeebers out of everything. So yeah, Jesse's having a turn now. I put a couple of coats in, but the master's in there doing the master's work. Damien also rocked up to come and see the Lexus because he hasn't seen it since it was sitting in my front yard at home. But I'll check back in when it has all the primer on it and I'll show you my disgusting runs. I told you I was troubled. You were it's another day and we're back in the block. We primed last night and I got lots of runs in lots of things, and then Jesse flattened it all out. So this morning we just sanded everything and just got it prepped for the base coat and the candy. I am not spraying anything to do with color because it'll suck and it'll be runny and I'll just have to redo it, and I don't really want to buy paint again. So Jesse's going to spray it all for me. His cage, if you've ever seen it, turned out unreal in Soul Red, which is a candy as well. So I'm using Hammer Coatings Candy Jam. It's like a pinky purpley color and I'm a big fan of it. So yeah, I can't wait to see what it looks like on everything. It's going to be so good. I'm excited. Alright, so it's many moons later and I forgot to film an outro for the painting with a Lexus. I forgot to film me putting the clear on. I know, I'm absolutely I apologise, but as you can see, the final product looks absolutely amazing. I can't thank Jesse enough for letting me spray at his house and letting me keep my car at his house. If you can't tell, I'm not at Jesse's house anymore. I've taken the car to Cam's for something you'll see later on. The car also visited Bailey for something that you'll see later on as well. But I apologise for not ending this on the same day. If you watched it all, thanks for watching, and stay tuned because there's more coming. We are on an absolute hot streak, baby.